how we can get refund on eBay. First of all, head over to your browser and then get logged into your eBay account. Tap on this three-bar icon. It will open up various options, but select Help. Now under Help, you will see various categories. Let's go ahead and wait till this page gets loaded. And in here, you will see return an item for a refund. So tap onto that specific link. And here it says open a return request, send the item back. So go ahead and tap onto the specific problem that you are having. And likewise, if you would like to open a request return, all you have to do is tap on start a return. So tap onto it. If you have an item that you would like to return, simply type in the name or order number. And once you do that, follow the on-screen prompt, then you will be able to return an item. If you would need more help, you can also expand this how to request an item through My eBay. And it will show you all the articles. Thank you all for watching.